wonder if there's something I will real for true because Genesis never talked about none of them, yeah. So
let's eat, travel and do great things together with Sabriena Audriana.
hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's raining. This is my friend Roche from university, and today she has taken me to the Canadian, I don't know if I can see that sign, hold on. Okay, the umbrella ID, but we're at the Canadian Museum of, me soon turn around the camera, of nature, right? And yeah, that is it. This is the museum. Let me extend my tripod. And it's raining! So yeah, we're going inside. I believe I can video inside, so I mean, we should be able to video inside, so stay tuned. Russia, is it free?
Not yet.
Oh, okay. Oh, I forgot. Rotted, guys. The museum not open yet, you know. So we have to go yet. Oh, but anyway, this is. Alright. Alright, hold this. Let me lock down the umbrella.
Is it recording?
Oh my god, we're inside! Guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're inside. The museum opens at 4, which is about in 15 minutes. And Roche is right there to get the tickets. Anyway, wow, look at that globe. Alright guys, so we have our tickets and it's 2 and they were free. So as I told you before, the tour starts at 4, so it's about 3 minutes to 4 now, so we're just waiting to go inside. Well, we're already inside, but to start the tour. Alright, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're in the fossil gallery, and this here is the horned dinosaur, or ceratopsian. Yeah, you can believe so then sitting here did real. You feel so they make them up? We can.
Sometimes I feel so.
I wonder if there's something I will real for true because Genesis never talked about none of them, yeah. So look at this big one. This looks like a T-Rex.
No. Yeah, no. I saw what I did.
This is humongous. Oh my gosh. Is it? The name of it is
Daspletosaurus.
Daspletosaurus, and it lived around 75 to 72 million years ago.
Its successor, Tyrannosaurus, was the last of the big carnivores. So successor, would that be one to come after?
I guess. But anyways, this thing is huge. You can imagine I run up and down for a dinosaur.
Like kill him.
Alright, so let's go. Guys, can you believe that turtles used to be that big? Like, imagine one turtle that big. That's crazy. Here are some more artifacts. Turtle shells. Yeah. And this one is called a Champsosaurus. Yeah. What else? This one over here is the Leptoceratops. Leptoceratops? Oh, what a nice day. Guys, this looks like Jurassic Park. Wow. Look at that. Yes, ma'am. Wow. These things are massive. Is this a rhinoceros? What is this? You look rhinoceros, Ross-ish.
Pretty cool. Plesiadapis strawberry. These are like dinosaur teeth.
Okay.
Someone to stop.
Alright guys, so we're going downstairs and we're gonna look at live bugs. Oh my god. Lord of mercy. Why?
It's not like if I did job, let us take a phone and record it.
You don't say I'm wicked.
Hello, content.
Wicked. This is the theater. Guys, I hope my hand isn't too shaky. I cannot use my selfie stick in here, so okay, so where do we go?
Oh, follow the bug down.
Follow the bugs. It says exit.
We're following home.
Okay. Bugs alive!
The bits we don't take for the French speaking folks.
Oh my god, it's another staircase.
You know, like what?
Hi! Oh, wow. Do you guys hear that? There are at least 1 million different species of insects and their relatives on Earth. Alright, so let's go. So, this is the Madagascar hissing cockroach. Oh, there it is. Cool. And this one is what? Domino cockroach. That'll be a roach they have done here. They not nothing else. What my name is see it.
Then they
I don't know. We don't see it.
they make them come out to eat. Maybe them dead.
Hello, wake up. Rise up. Alright,
They don't want to be seen today.
the domino cockroach them like them gonna sleep. This little roach uses this guys to protect itself from. Oh, so we're probably seeing it and I realize yeah it. Because it uses camouflage. Okay, still can't find them. Oh, this is the Vinegaroon, and I guess it looks like a scorpion. Oh, there it is. Ooh, cool. See one here, so too. Wow.
No, but the vinegar one different from that.
Oh, so okay, that's not the Vinegaroon, guys. This is the
Heter.
Asian forest scorpion. That's what it is, and that's the French name.
So the vinegar one there.
The Vinegaroon
Looks so nice and pleasant.
looks similar to the scorpion, and this is it. And it looks like only one in there. And then, ooh, tarantula spider. This is a tarantula, guys. Tarantulas hunt at night and rely on their large size to subdue prey. Cute. Brazilian salmon pink bird eater. Wow. This biggie?
So specific, right?
Right.
Someone pink bird eater.
They are actually a kind of tarantula. See if I can get a better view of it for you guys. There it is. Wow. Cool. And then we have the Hercules Beetle. Wow. This is so big. Never heard of it before. You can imagine if this like... I want to eat one banana that? If this splice you? Father God.
That look like
Fry him up. And these are flower beetles. Oh, so one over there, so here, here, here.
Let's supposed to classify this as
Which one? The big natural horrid king assassin bug. I've never heard of a lot of these. Only for them, and first me hear of them. What is?
Then the under.
Blue death feigning beetle. Oh, see it over there, so guys, straight ahead. Yes, sir.
And the one is behind the rock.
And this is the giraffe stag beetle. I didn't know there were so many variations.
Giraffe and elephant already. Pink summer and the deep sky.
Wow, these are a lot of stuff. Exactly. Elephant beetle. Look at this one, oh it big. Child. I can't show you all of this up here because it's a lot.
Just record what you find interesting. That's it.
Just look in there. This is the nature exploration station, guys. So, but can't you actually like look in it? No?
That's what he said.
PG-13. Rocher! Oh my god!
I don't know why you spin this.
Alright guys, so how this works is that you have these insects in here, and when you do the zoom, it changes the size on screen. See? Yeah. So and then you spin this, huh? Oh god, it hard for spinny. Rocher, come spin it for me.
Which way you want to do?
Alright, see Rocher is spinny there. What is it on? Some ants. And you can zoom to see the ants them bigger. Okay, pretty cool, I guess. Yeah. Hi guys, we're in the water gallery. Who can tell me what kind of dinosaur this is? I mean, not dinosaur, whale. Yes, it's a whale. It's called the beluga whale. Yes, bell, not beluga, bell. B-E-L. I love whales. Me love whales, so me kinda love follow them up. I want to go whale watching one day.
I would love to do that.
Yeah. So I don't know what this big old thing is. Is this a whale skeleton? Wow, that's huge. Let's go see what this is.
Oh, Miss Floor.
What's that? Oh, this is a skeleton of a blue whale. Wow.
Oh, it is?
This is how big a blue whale is? Wow.
Is this the one that Jonah's touching?
Well, a blue whale is the largest mammal in the world, right? And this one of these swallow Jonah.
Most. My sharp claws help me climb on ice after I catch my meals.
Okay, guys, we're in the mammal gallery, and that is a polar bear. Polar bear, not polo. And yeah.
That's a snow bunny over there.
Where?
Over there.
Snow bunny? Oh, okay.
Yeah,
This is cute.
tell me what is this? I must be your name is
It's a cat.
What's your cat?
Cheetah.
No.
Lemur.
Cougar.
It's a what?
Cougar.
Oh, a cougar.
That's what you are.
Rocher. I'm not a cougar. Wait. Hibernation.
Yeah, cougar.
I don't know. What is this?
Skunk.
Oh, is this a real? Is this real?
But some mammals, like the 13 line group squirrel, jeez, look real.
It does look real. I wonder if it has been mummified. Oh, these things looks real. The bunny looks real. Guys, this looks very real.
PG-13.
They poop. They've even put the doo-doo. Actually, it's not a snow bunny. It's an Arctic hare. Hare.
AKA snow bunny. Same thing.
No.
Oh.
A hare is not a bunny. A hare is a hare.
Snow hare.
Okay, guys. So this is the endothermy, and it shows how hot you are. Now I'm very hot. Like,
Let's see if the endothermy agrees. Just stand there.
okay.
Pull on your ramper.
Compare your body. Brighter is hotter. The colder air surrounding you. So I guess the air is the dark part, and then this is my body.
I don't know. You just said so. It shows you. Let me show you.
Okay.
So, yeah, your armpits warm,
Mm-hmm.
but your shoulders are a little bit cooler.
Right.
Yeah, your fingers are warm. Yeah,
Okay.
but yeah, unless you want to pull this down.
Ooh.
Pull this down.
My tummy is hot, and then my boobies are warm.
Warm.
Excitement, guys. Like them something at the real size.
Yes.
This is huge. This is a bison. It's a bison.
Yeah, that's what I said.
And then the wolves are taking on the bison. Wow, I didn't know that's how big they are. Cool. Guys, there are so many things in here that I can't show you everything, but this is a musk ox. And they're defending themselves against a husky.
Oh, excuse me.
Yeah. Look at Rocher's bum. Gym buddy. Foodie. At first, we thought this was a mountain goat, but it's actually a thin-horned sheep.
Sheep mountain.
They're so big. So we're in the bird gallery. Can you identify any of these?
Yes.
Which one? Eagle. Which one? This one is what? Pelican?
Yes.
This one looks like a seagull-ish?
Yes.
You know, so like you're sure.
I'm not.
Is this an owl around here?
Let me tell you. So the top one is a golden eagle.
Uh-huh.
And there's an owl in there somewhere.
I think it's that. I think this one is the owl. This. And I owl this. No, owl head no. Owl head no see. So see the owl. Let me should I know. Right around there so. With the fat face.
They look nearly, jeez.
They look very real. I wonder if a real bird them preserve. And this is a duck. No, it's a swan. It's a swan. Ugly duckling. Huh? Golden eagle at the top. Alright. Northern garnet.
These are the birds that people watch when they do bird watching. I like swans, like they're beautiful birds.
Yeah, swans are nice. Is this a turkey?
Yes. This is a wild turkey.
Is it?
Yes.
Oh. Guys, sorry, I never
Wild
realized.
turkey for true Jesus, I'm smart.
Oh. A biggie?
Yes, the foreign cousin of the John Crow.
My father would really like this. He likes animals, especially birds.
These are the owls.
Great grey owl. Biggie. Barn owl. Northern pygmy owl. I never know say I have owl so small. Two. Maryland. Ferruginous hawk. Birds, 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 and more birds.
Landbirds. Landbirds. Airbirds. Is that winning?
Are you a featherweight? Jesus, me can't go on this. Hold on. How much does it say?
I can't see it. I can't see it.
727 to. I don't know if I read this as in here.
Stop moving.
Alright, let me tap on here and see.
How many birds do you
It
weigh?
probably said to be continued. Oh my god. So I weigh 283 of them here. Hummingbird. 280 something. Me weigh Jesus Christ. 936 of them here would have come to my weight. How much turkey? 11 turkey. That's a turkey heavy?
Yeah.
Canard culvert. How much you say? I can't see. 68. Oh god, but look how much.
That's small. The birds are small.
Yeah. I'm not that heavy, guys. Okay guys, we're in the Earth Gallery. And kinda boring. Types of volcanoes are here. Rocks from lava domes. I guess these are the rocks that are from volcanoes, the different types. Pumice, andesitic, volcanic bombs, pumice again, rhyolite, scoria. What is this? Pahoho. In our art gallery, kind of boring. And I guess these are stones, diamonds in volcanic rock. And then you have the different types. Nothing too much now going in here, so very lame and very lame. Now, I'm not saying Earth is lame, but them are lame. Earthquakes, blah blah blah. What is Roche doing over here?
Separating the ocean. The oceans open and close.
Are these like tectonic plates or something?
Tectonic plate, they're over the sea.
Okay. Yeah. Let's go.
It's so boring.
It's very boring. Vámonos. Come on, vámonos. Everybody, let's go. Come on, let's get to it. I know that we can do it. The rock cycle. Exactly. Earth is made up of 3 types of rock: magmatic, metamorphic, and sedimentary. Yeah. Alright guys, so we are finished with the museum. And now, where we are going, Roche?
We are on our way to the parliament.
We're going to the parliament. What we got parliament go do?
Take pictures.
Like,
Alright, so we're gonna be at the same time.
but guys, this look. Wow. No, me no want walk.
You're going to go straight to the end of the road here.
Jeez and peas, my foot are at me.
You put the at
Come, we gotta go get ice cream.
Just left you walk.
Yeah, but where we are got parliament go do?
Alright. Anyway, you take just left you walk all the way down the way there. So if we're gonna read out, we're gonna pass parliament anyway.
We can't call one Uber.
No, because the ice cream place the between.
Alright, give me one picture right here, so. Guys, I have a tan from I went parasailing in the grill. Can you see it? Anyways. We're cute.